like I have every tool that I own. Oh, here. I have all the lumber. I have a good attitude. Just poor planning. But I'm in too deep now. So I got the lattice work on and that white PVC board, and then the white board on the stringers. How I did that is I have the old stringer, the 4-step stringer. I just traced it and then added a 5th stringer. That's what I did. That's what I did here. I don't know if you can see the lines here. I traced it out. I'm going to cut that for right here. Not bad for being a plumber. This is what I'm wasting. Isn't that terrible? There's a few mistakes, but us humans, we're not perfect, right? So we're not going to make things perfect either. All right, it's going to be cleanup. It's getting late again. I got to get rid of all my tools. I think once we do landscaping here with some mulch and stuff like that, it'll all look nice and pretty. Thanks for watching.